and lots of applause and cheers kasama ang mga mahal sa buhay, dearest friends and family. Of course, welcome for this evening. Allow me to introduce myself. I am Answer Koa of Applause and Cheers, and I'm very delighted to see you all here. Kasama po ang ating couple, of course, in a short while. But right now, bilang po panimula sa ating programa, and while waiting for the couple, of course, getting ready for the second appearance tonight, mamimigay po muna tayo ng mga prizes for active participants. But the kind of spirit, everyone. Let's make it more enjoyable for tonight kasama kayo lahat. But right now, ito na nga po, mamimigay tayo ng prizes for active participants. But please, of course, stay on your tables lamang, ha? Dahil po, pagawa po natin, well, you already know the game Bring Me. Pero instead of bringing it here, ang sasabihin nyo lamang po, meron po tayong magic words. For the ladies, you just shout, using your face mask, Wonder Woman. And for the gentlemen, you just shout Superman. So for example, kakailanganin ko po ng isang hibla ng puting buhok. And kung gusto nyo pong unahan yung ibang mga manlalaro, ang sasabihin nyo lang po, for the girls, ano isisigaw? For the gentlemen, yan, Superman. Diyan lang po kayo sa upuan nyo, ha? Para less contact po tayo. Let's have our first object. Okay, Wonder Woman or Superman? Printed invitation. Okay, tatayo tayo, and then we shall... Woo! May nakita ko po si ma'am na nauna yata. Alright, what is the magic? Ayan, let's stand up. Ganun po paunahan sa pagtayo. At saka we have to say the magic word. What's the magic word? Ayan, dapat pataas kasi parang feeling po natin ay parang lilipad na po siya, di ba? So let me see. Check lang po natin. Kompleto po kaya ito? Mukhang kompleto nga. Ngayon lang din nabuksan, ma'am. Congratulations, Marilyn has actually won a prize, and right that meron po kayong gift. This is a stop by which you can claim po mamaya sa ating perfume stand doon. Yes, congratulations as a gift from Miko and Michelle. Please check your monetary bills kung meron pong 09 doon sa number code ng monetary bills natin. Go! Alright, check ka natin. Yung mga pera po natin, monetary bills, yung mga papel na pera, i-check po natin dun sa number code kung merong 09 doon. Ayan, don't worry. Siyempre, meron po kang chance na mag-uwi ng, okay, special prize. It's a special perfume po. Ayan, pwede po natin claim. Please check your money. Uy, we have a Superman! At syempre din naman siya. Salamat po, Hanson Chua. At syempre, palakpakan naman natin, everyone. Naku, punay 100. For sure, yan ang lucky color niya. Diyos ko po. Alright. And right now, for tonight, congratulations! Here you go. Here's a gift from the couple. Thank you so much, Sir Hanson Chua. And another everyone. How about, okay, pwede pong pakitaan niyo po ko, alright, Wonder Woman or Superman, picture with the couple. Alright, whether kasal pa sila or hindi, any picture with the couple will do. Come on! Wala akong naririnig. Kailangan natin tumayo. Wonder Woman o Superman? Sino kaya? Naku, wala pang dapat di ba may magpa-participate dito? Woo! Tol, sabi ko picture with the couple, hindi mag-selfie. Ayun daw, nalalaing manin. Kitang lakit timet din. Ayan. Edi yun din yung picture nyo na kanina. Or kung magbabarkada kayo, pakitaan nyo ako ng picture, yung proof of friendship nyo. Okay, meron ba? Nalalaing mandento yan. Hindi ko picture with the couple, hindi picture with the couple on the leg wall. Okay. And Mrs. Agnes Gonzalez! Junior with Mrs. Helen Madriaga! Let's do a roundabout for Miko and Michelle. Ikot! Woo! There you go. Congratulations! Once again, palakpakan po natin ang ating mga sarili and our double M couple. Thank you so much, gentlemen. You're about to witness the mother and son dance by Miko and Mrs. Agnes. Palakpakan! There you go. Maraming salamat. Such a nice presentation we have for the whole family. And now this time, I'd also like to request Sir Tomas Jr. Sir Tomas, the loving dad of our bride. Alright, this time, siya naman po ang susundo sa kanyang pinakamamahal na anak, Sir Tomas. Okay. There you go. Please have her at the dance floor. And ladies and gentlemen, you're about to witness the father and daughter dance by Sir Tomas and other than our bride, Michelle. Once again, a special round of applause, please. Thank you.
The house, the fence, the bike, the car, the little one. If he's the kind of guy that doesn't fit.
Sir Tomas, please stay with the bride, Miko. Maaari lamang pating lapit sa inyong father-in-law as this is the meeting of the two families. Sir Tomas, maaari lamang ipasa mo po ang kamay ng iyong anak sa kanyang asawa. There you go. Thank you so much, Sir Tomas. And ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the very first bond of our double M couple. Let's give them a big round of applause for their very first dance. Miko and Michelle. Wala ka nang tinatago sa bulsa mo? Labas mo muna yan. Kailang, Gcash na lang. Oh, by the way, sa mga hindi man po nakapagbigay doon, sige, Gcash na lang. Okay.
Ito naanos nga host tayo ni Sir Ancher.
And once again, the words of thanks of Miko and Michelle. Thank you so much. That's okay, guys. First time yun naman na ikasal, di ba? Okay? And maybe I'd like... Yan. But of course, it's all the special moments that count for tonight. I may have to request Miko and Michelle to please proceed on your cake. Dahil po para tuloy-tuloy na ang blessings. And in terms of modern weddings nowadays, para po tuloy-tuloy ang daloy ng blessings, ituloy-tuloy na din natin yan sa inyong mga traditions. Okay? Alright. There you go. And just like what we always ask, the parents of the groom. Oh, we have a mommy here. Mommy, ilan pong apo ang gustong alagaan? Ilan po? May have to ask that. Ilan pong apo?
Depende kanya na.
Yung kagustuhan mo po, tingnan natin ha? Ilan? Preferably, isang kambal. Okay, alright? Sige, isa lang daw muna. Pero of course, okay, as part of this tradition, I may have to request si Michelle, kailangan siya hahawak ng cake slicer to be assisted by her loving husband. O, diba? Para sa hirap at ginawa, laging magkasama. Everyone, let's all count up to 3 as they'll be slicing their sweet cake. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Palakpakan naman natin yan. One, thank you so much, Ava's Cakes, for this delightful treat. Diba? Full of love. Alang-alang sa iisa punang baby. Diba? O preferably male, boy or girl. Boy or girl? Babae. Okay. One little cute girl. Perhaps at the right time, maybe. Baka naman pwede na. Oops. Dahan-dahan lang. Ayan. There you go. How about witnessing it? And how you share the sweetness of your ganitong gagawin natin. Just a little bit. Okay, Michelle, bilang ilaw ng tahanan, unang-una mo susubuan na yung asawa. Gaano kalaking pagmamahal mo kay Miko? Pakita mo yan sa ipapakain mo na cake. Sige. Oh, Diyos ko po. Grabe. Alright, yung saktong-sakto lang. Okay, please feed your loving husband, Michelle. Yan. Very sweet. And at this time, Miko, it's your turn. Gaano kalaking pagmamahal mo, pero before mo siya subuan, Miko, ano sa Ingles ang mahal kita? Ayan po. Ano sa Ingles? Mahal kita? Huwag akong tignan mo siya. And, alright! Please feed your loving wife as well. And very sweet. Maraming salamat. Okay, you want that, guys? We'll give you time on that one. And before we witness your long-lasting kiss, actually would like to request first the best man and maid of honor. Wala akong narinig. 6, 7, 8, 9. Anong ulam natin dyan? 10! Congratulations! Palakpakan naman natin Miko and Michelle. Thank you so much. And pinakaswabing dance moves mo alang-alang sa iyong asawa. Miko, ikaw ang bahala. Music please. Kaya naman, Miko, kailangan mong bumawi. Okay, isa-isa lang muna. First flower, throw! Another flower, throw! Uy! Sige, go lang! Pako, ayan, para may anong kuha ng bulaklak! And ready, set, go! Oops! Bilangin natin kung ilan ang mga nakuha bulaklak. Grabe, kinipromet amin yan. Inalamit amin na ilan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! 1, 2! Congratulations! Congratulations! Ikaw ang pinaka-konti. Sabi ko nga naman, automatic na mananalo. Konti makukuha bulaklak. Kaya naman, please stand by dahil magtataon na rin tayo na makilala natin single ladies. Ayan. Okay! Grabe, congratulations. Wait lang. Trial lang yun. At least alam nyo, di ba? Very alert. The same rule applies, girls. Pauna sa pagpupo, yung nakaupo tanggal na. Ready, set, go! Likot-ikot! Bata, please, mas. Pakita mo yung kung gano'n kakasaya ngayon. Ah, grabe to!
Alam mo yung...
Hello? Alam mo yung ganun lang siya, walang pakialam na ano. Sige, asan na yung Ash? Ikaw? Okay. Alright, thank you so much! Tagal na siya, go! Pasok na! Yan! Kala mo? Okay! Diyos ko po, thank you so much! Pakalain mo! Nag-like ka bang i-push ko niya? Ang lakas na ito, grabe! Alright, go! Ito, magkakasayad sila katawan itong mga to. So for sure, palakasan na to. Nananalangin na si... Alright, thank you so much! Nananalangin si Just, maawa po kayo sa aking legs ko na. Alright, go! Okay, thank you so much! Lasanas natin dahil pagalingan na kayo sa pagsayaw at palakasan ng cheer. Pagalingan sa pagsayaw. Let us play a music there. At palakas. And go! Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go! Yan, pagalingan ng sayaw. Okay, thank you very much. At syempre para gawin natin mas masaya. Wow! Nawala ka, no? Saktong-sakto. Kasi kailangan mong bumawi, hindi masyado nakapagsayaw si Miko kanina, pero dapat ngayon mas todo ka na. Okay, gagalingan mo na ngayon. Just get up, cheer! Okay, ready, set, music. Ready na sa Adonis! Konting rapid. Ako yung garter, tol. Ay, yung garter.
Mga Adonis!
Yung garter. Yung garter naman yan ang nawawala. Ladies, pakitignan lang po sa mga legs nyo, baka mamaya na isuot nyo na pala. Okay. Ayun mo lang. Adjust ko rin mo yan. Yan! Chance, kung paano kinuha ni Miko yan, ganun mo din ibabalik. Ang gagamitin mo ay... Ano?
Gilang!
Gulat ako. Sige, ipasok mo muna. Ipasok mo muna. O sige, iangat mo yan. Gamit ang iyong ngipin. Yup. Ngipin. Go! Huwag mo tuloy ang tradisyon kung anong ginawa. Ganun. Kung ganun, kung paano siya ginagawa, sinibabalik. Go! Hala, binulungan na. Alright, go! Iyakan mo yan, kailangan mo iyakan. Inuha ni Miko yan, alright? Taas ba? Okay, everybody, palapaka naman natin. Curly and Jazz. Thank you so much, guys. Galing. Dahil dyan may prize kayo from Miko and Michelle. Isang blender at saka isang extension. Video blender na. Alright? So, nag-halftime event of Miko and Michelle. So, in behalf of the couple, yan po, lubusan po kami nagpapasalamat. And so our guests na hindi pa po nakakapag-claim ng kanilang mga souvenirs, please do approach our coordinators. Para po sa lahat-lahat na mga bisita, tatandaan po natin, safety first, mag-iingat at mag-iingat lang din po tayo lagi. Nino Sanis, maraming salamat po. Okay. Sa mga gusto pong makipicture with the couple, you are now all welcome to join them on stage. And this has been Answer Kuwa. Alright, stay safe everyone. Party, party!